Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long, the days are
So welcome from Hastings to day 2 of our bikepacking trip down the south coast of England. So yesterday evening we reached Hastings, which is of course very well known for the battle that took place here in 1066, where William the Conqueror, what's in a name, defeated the English, I believe. Could be wrong, but I think that was what the history lessons told us. We can't do much of a history lesson here because we will be going on our way towards Brighton today, and looks very promising. So far the weather looks good, but I'll just have to ask my favorite weather salesman again, Arjan. What is the weather going to be today?
Back in business.
Yes.
Well,
you're hired for the moment.
all right. Well, it will be sunny, it stays sunny, and a lot of wind.
A lot of wind.
A lot of wind.
Okay.
Not necessarily helping us.
Okay. Well, that's promising. It's all right. We can work at that. So just a brief pause here at pretty much the pier here in Hastings, and then we'll be on our way. All right. See you later. Bye. It's a nice old-fashioned look at the English seaside.
Just keep right on dancing. What's a damn jolly good idea? It's such a jollification, as a matter of fact. So trace your mind, dear. Underneath the moonlight, together we'll shine across the sea.
Well, we're 45 minutes in now, and quite a nice ride so far. So let's see what we can find next.
Seaside rendezvous, so adorable. Seaside rendezvous, woo. Seaside rendezvous.
So here we are at Pevensey Castle. So this is an ancient Roman fort and castle. And here's our old acquaintance again, William the Conqueror. This is massive now. Impressive.
China Kappa jumps to 2 feet creep up the road. To photo to record me lumps in war. Everyone says that's his chance. Oh, very yellow white flash. A violent red Christmas with light as live like grass. But so high from the avalanche, mine is a watery pit. Painless with immense distance from medic, from colleague, friend, enemy, foe. In 5 years from his leg, from you, Taro. Do not spray into eyes. I have sprayed you into my eyes. Collars and cares, glazed to grey, shriveled and stricken to dots. The left hand grasp, but the body grasp not. Oh, the photographic more. 3.1415 alive, no longer my amour. Faded for home, here 54 doors open like arms, my love. With a great closeness to cover, dark. After nothing reunites his with his neck and with you, Taro.
Well, looks like the local Banksy's been at it again, because here up on the hill is a horse. At least that's what I make of it. Could be a unicorn or something, you never know. Alright, I have no idea what we're planned next. I think we're going towards Seven Sisters. See you there. Oh boy. Things you have to do for YouTube. Yeah. Right, so here we are, Seven Sisters. Probably one of the most iconic landscapes in the world. Well, that was a fantastic Seven Sisters. Now it's time for a coffee. Oh, it's coming up and down. Pretty hefty climbs there. It's all good. It's hot in the English seaside. To a strap in action. So here we are in Brighton. Just have a sneak peek at the pier, very famous pier. Not quite sure if you can just access it like that or if you have to pay for it. If we have to pay, we'll just go for an ice cream instead, I think. But yeah, so thinking about half an hour's time we will be met by our host from warm showers. That should be the first time for me and for Arjan as well, of course. So yeah, that should be fun. I'm very keen on meeting Kirsty. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, I think that's it for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. See you in the next one. Cheers. Yeah.
So, easy climb.